Alright everybody, just a quick one for you here. The building that I rent my shop in has a design center up in the front that does window treatments. And they got called in when another company screwed a job up, and they went and looked at it and then called me because I used to do all their wiring for them, and now I'm just the guy for when something weird happens. In this case, this company just did not know how to hook up these shades to the wiring that was run through the walls when this house was built. And so I'm in here to figure out where these wires go and to fix this hack job of a wiring setup that the previous company had tried. I don't know what they were doing, but we're going to make it right. To do so, we're going to use a tool called a tone generator. This is the tone generator here. It puts a signal out on a wire. Then you use the probe, which is the other half of it, to find where that wire leads. In unshielded wire, you can generally just touch wires and see which one it is. In this case, it's shielded wire, so we do have to find the end of the wire, but luckily they're all terminated out to one spot. So we grab the bundle of cables and just get to testing them. We've stripped the wires back here just to make testing easier. And the thing I like about this kit specifically is that the probe has a light on it. If you're working in attics, that's always helpful. So this kit comes in a pair. You get the generator and the probe, and they have a nice little housing with a belt clip. You know, it's well put together. The only complaint I have is I wish it had somewhere for extra batteries. The tone generator has a RJ11 connection on the end of it there that lets you plug in all the little adapters that are stored in the back of the housing. And you have a probe that you can adjust the volume on and has the little light, which again is awesome in an attic. The pieces just kind of clip right back into the housing, and they do stay there well. In the back of it, you have the storage for all the adapters. There's the red and black one for just any random wires. I use those the most. Then you have a fuse chasing kit, phone, Ethernet, and coax. I'll have a link in the description to this kit as well as a couple other ones at a couple different price points. I think these run about $40–45, and they're worth it the first time you use it and the amount of time you save. And here's the completed job once we trimmed all the wires back to the proper length and dressed them up nicely. If you guys like these sort of tip videos, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.